Hey, my name is Tracy Chaduka. I'm doing community health methods for spring semester 2022. So I'm 30 years old. Yes, I'm turning 30 in a day to come. And I'm so glad to be in this course. So I'm from Masvingo, Zimbabwe. Currently I'm staying in Cape Town, South Africa. So I studied accountants back then in 2015, but it was my backup plan. All I ever wanted to do was nursing. I wanted to be in the health sector, but due to some difficulties, all that kept coming my way was regrets after applying in different nursing schools in my country. So I'm so glad that now I'm doing something that I've always wanted, and I'm so much grateful for this program. What keeps me happy is music. I love music, especially gospel. I listen to Maverick Seed Choir, Minister Mayendere, and Zim Praise, just to name a few. And I like going out and having fun. And that is my boy there. I also love him. So my favorite scripture is Psalms 91, all the skissing verses. But I like the first verse which says, "He that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty." What I know is if we stay in the path and if we hold on to the promises of God and if we keep His word, what He says in Psalms 91, that He will give us His angels to guide us, to carry us, it will surely happen. I have no experience in public health, so this is going to be the experience. And I hope to learn so much from my classmates and gain a lot from each other through teaching one another. All the best to everyone.